medium and hot. So the medium is about 80 degrees and the hot one is about 100. So the speed of the fan you can control from right here. This is the lock switch, so when you have to clip something and you just put it in, and then when you have to unlock it you just pull this down and you can unlock it. So it's pretty basic. Let's move on to the first attachment. So I'm gonna quickly read out the features that I really like from the Dyson. The first one is that it is perfect for all hair types, which is amazing because my sisters and my mom, all of us have very different hair types, and this works perfectly for all of us. The second one is that it uses the Coanda effect, which creates high pressure air. Dyson doesn't have extreme heat. That is what protects your hair from getting damaged, and it's perfect because especially if somebody like me that has to style their hair almost every single day, this is perfect for it. Now before we begin, I would suggest that you keep your hair damp. Like I just washed my hair, and if you're doing this on a day that you're not washing your hair, you can just use like a spray bottle. So before I style my hair, I usually apply a serum. These are the two serums that I mix together and it smells incredible. I will start looking like a cartoon while I do my hair, so ignore that. So moving to our first attachment, this is the pre-styling dryer. I like to use this before I go ahead and use the other attachments to style my hair. It will dry up your hair like about 60 to 70%. If you have fine or scanty hair, you can totally skip this. It's not a necessary step, but I really like to use this to like just go over my roots and dry my hair out a bit. I've kept the fan speed on medium and the heat is at 80 degrees, again medium. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and you might not be able to hear me because it's gonna be noisy. So I'm just gonna focus on my roots. As you can see, my hair is almost dry. This actually really like took less than 5 minutes. So now we're gonna switch up this one for the next attachment. All you have to do is just push this down and it's out. Simple. So the next attachment is the smoothing brush. There are actually two of these. So this one, the bristles are very hard, and this one has soft bristles compared to this. This is more for like thick and really coarse hair. This one is what I prefer personally for me. So all you have to do is just put it in and press down and it's locked. I'm going to keep the fan speed and the air temperature at medium for this. Let's quickly section off our hair. So I am going to do curls, but just because I feel like my hair is really frizzy right now, I'm just going to section this bit off. Gonna look like a cartoon. This is perfect for when you want like a natural look where your hair looks silky and healthy and straight. This gives you a straighter look. I'm gonna take this much from my hair, and you guys don't be scared. Like the first time I used this, I was scared if it's gonna like burn my ear or something, but it's not that hot. Just brush through it like you would normally brush your hair. So here it goes. Already see the difference between these two sides, right? That's so soft. I'm just quickly gonna go over my hair with this. Okay, so as you can see, this already like gives your hair a very healthy finish. I love how it looks. Like on days that I just want to keep it natural, I like to keep it like this. Okay, so the next one we have is the volumizing brush. This brush is perfect for when you want a blowout. I haven't mastered the technique yet, but I will show you what I use this technique for. After using the smoothing brush, my hair sort of becomes very flat on top, so I like to give it a little bit of volume here. So I've taken this much of the front part of my hair because then when I push it back, I want this to have like a bounce and not sit flat. So what you're gonna do is take your brush, put it right in the center of your hair, then put your hair back and turn the machine on. And once you start feeling the heat, you're gonna turn the cool shot on, which is just pushing the power button furthermore. Now that it's hot enough, I'm gonna turn the cool shot on. Just press it. So now that I'm done, I'm turning it off, and I'm just gonna get my hair out, and that's good enough. I've got that little bouncy thing. Now moving on to the last and final attachments, which are the air wrap barrels. So we've got two sets of barrels. We've got a set of 30mm and a 40mm. I don't know, I might mix it up. So as you can see, the barrels have arrows on them which tell you the direction of the airflow. So the reason there are two barrels for each size is because you're meant to use one for the left side and one for the right. Just hold your hair out straight. I know this technique is a little different from your regular curling iron. All you have to do is just hold it there and it's gonna do the job for you. So it's very satisfying to actually watch it. So I'm gonna turn it on. That's it. Now while it's getting heated, you turn the cool shot on. And the reason why we turn the cool shot on is because it helps your hair stay in that style. Turn it off and voila! So I would suggest don't touch your curls right now. Just let it be. Also, people might get scared thinking that your hair might get stuck in this. It actually can't, because this thing just blows out air. It doesn't suck the air in, so your hair can't really get stuck in the wand. I'm just quickly gonna do all of my hair and be back. And I'm done. So once you're done, just go ahead and set it with any hairspray you want. I'm just gonna spritz a bit over here. The last thing that it has, it comes with a cleaner. Put it in through the wire and you just clean this, because this is the filter and you don't want it to get clogged with dust. I can never like stop touching my hair. I have never done a review type thing on my IGTV, so I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And Dyson Airwrap, the whole set, all of the details are mentioned on their website. You can check it, and it's also available in a bunch of stores. You can just check their website for the locations. Another fun thing that I didn't know Dyson did was do live demo sessions, which I also got because I wanted to learn about the machine. I wanted to see how it works, and it is so helpful. Like, there's so many things I learned that I didn't on like a YouTube video, you know. It was so helpful for me, and the person that was also assisting me was super sweet. So that was a fun experience for me as well. I can't stop touching my hair or looking at it. Oh god, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Probably with something new, I don't know. Let me know what you want to see. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.